So I found the bone breaker and now I will try to do it. So the disassembly process continues. Like always in my case, I'm doing this first time, so I have to locate every bolt, every clip, and this is time consuming, but it is a pleasure to do for me. Now I will try to disassemble the rear bumper. I have to disassemble the entire interior also. So, but there is not much to do here. I have to find every bolt, every clip, and I will disassemble this piece. The entire piece looks okay. Here is one damage, but I think it's fixable. I will reuse it. Oh my god, this battery! Truck battery! Oh. Woo. So here are bolts. I released 3 of them. I released 2 of them, sorry. This is garbage, so doesn't worry about this. I have to unplug the parking sensor. Now I will leave the sensor here and I will write that this is the rear left sensor. Oh, this is a piece of crap. And this is junk also. So now I have access for bolts. Here is one bolt and here is one bolt. This plastic bumper cover now should be released. And this is the rest of this clip. First time see such kind of clip. It have to be. I have to order a new one. Did I broke something? I think no. Everything is broken here. So, and same story on the left side. I think now we can use force. So this is a piece of crap. Let's start from this side now. This is the right rear blind spot sensor. This piece is good and I will reuse it. Now I will unscrew this support bar, but unfortunately I have to cut here because here is everything bent and I cannot unscrew those bolts. I can reach this bolt and I will do it by hand. Same story here. It's not holding tight, so it was easy to unscrew, but there is a bolt there and here is. Okay, so last few turns and I have to use force. So I found the bone breaker and now I will try to do it. Okay, so the spring is released and here is some kind of sensor. Oh my gee, what was that? The battery in my camera is dead. I am recording this with GoPro. So now I have to unscrew those plastics like I showed a few seconds ago, and I have to unscrew the rear seats, and the car will be ready for the body shop. So I will order the needed parts for them, and I think in the next week the car will be ready for paint. So now I have to unscrew the rear seat. One bolt is here. Now I can take the rear seats off. What I have to do next? I have to disassemble the headliner, roof airbags and airbag sensors. So I will be doing this tomorrow. So see you guys and have a nice day, have a nice week.